Proshop is a tool we designed over 17 years to help us improve reliability, efficiency, and communication at every step of the manufacturing process. When we began developing Proshop, we were growing at nearly 100% every year, so we needed a software that would enable that growth.
Our challenges were keeping track of jobs.
There wasn't a solution that existed that we were happy with. There was no other software that could do what we actually wanted it to do.
We got to a point where we knew if we were going to continue to grow and maintain our level of quality, we needed a system to simplify and organize every step of the manufacturing process. There was no system out there like that, so we started designing one.
Proshop was developed by people that were in machining, people that actually stood in front of machines, programmed machines, ordered materials, shipped parts to customers.
The problem we continued to run into was staying organized. We needed an intuitive way to keep track of everything. Every job, every tool, every detail, and every minute spent on a job.
First impression was, this rocks. It still is, actually.
They've seen the struggles of what kind of holes there are in manufacturing, from a planning development side of things to getting it out to the customer. The biggest thing was the fact that it was real-time visibility. I can't describe enough of what it is like to be able to literally see everything from one desktop.
It allows us to know what needs to be done. It allows us to see what items need to be purchased, what items we have on hand. It allows us to send work instruction directly to manufacturing.
At the end of the day, what mattered to our clients was having quality and reliability with the paperwork to prove it. We designed Proshop to organize the data throughout, so getting the paperwork clients need is as simple as a click of the button.
We have customers that come to us because they know they're going to get their product and they're going to get it right, and it's going to be on time.
You know, the numbers speak for themselves in that we've doubled in size sales-wise, and we're basically doing it with the same workforce.
Proshop required us to look at our company and say, we can do better. We can be more efficient, more effective, more profitable. Our goal now is working with companies that share that vision, that want to push what's possible and are willing to put in the work.